morning to everyone. In the previous class, we already learned about the in the digestive system, what is the functions of the small intestine and what is the functions of the large intestine. In today's class, we will learn about the digestive system in grass-eating animals. Digestion in grass-eating animals. Have you ever seen the buffaloes and cattle and cows are continuously sieving? When they take the grass, they swallow them very fastly, and the swallowed food is stored in the stomach in the part called as the rumen. They quickly swallow the given food to the cows or buffaloes. The food is stored in the part of the stomach called as the rumen, and the partially digested food we called as cud. Partially digested food. Partially digested food is called cud. The partially digested food is called cud. After that, the cud returns to the mouth in small lumps, and again they continue chewing. And these type of animals we call as ruminants. What do you mean by ruminants? The cud is returns to the mouth in the form of small lumps, the small pieces, small lumps, and they again started to continue chewing. Is called as this type of animals is called as ruminants. This type of animals we call as, what do you mean by rumination? If someone asks what do you mean by rumination, the cud returns to the mouth part in a small lumps. The animals that start to continuous chewing is called rumination. The cud returns to mouth in the form of small lumps or small pieces. In the form of small lumps or small pieces. Small lumps or pieces, and again they start to chewing, and again they start to chewing. It is called as rumination. It is called as rumination. What is mean by rumination? The cud returns to the mouth in the form of small lumps, and again they start to chewing. Continuous chewing is called as rumination. What do you mean by, if someone asks you what do you mean by rumination, and if someone asks you what do you mean by ruminants, ruminants is nothing but the animals which follow the rumination is called ruminants. What is by rumination? The animals which follow the process of rumination. The animals which follow the process of rumination rumination is called ruminants. Ruminants. What is my ruminants? The animals which follow the process of rumination is called ruminants. What is my rumination? The third day returns to the mouth in the form of small lumps and the again start to chewing is called as rumination. What is my ruminants? The animals which follow the process of rumination. The animals which process the follow of the animals which follow this process is called as the rumination is called as the ruminants. Ruminants. And next we can learn about the and one thing. The grass is rich in cellulose. Grass is rich in the grass is rich in cellulose. It cannot be normally digested by the plants. It cannot be normally digested by the animals or human beings. And special type of animals that are horses and rabbits. Horses and rabbits, they can be digested in the cellulose. They have in the in the stomach of the rumen, they have bacteria. They have bacteria. Bacteria present in the bacteria are present in the rumen of the stomach. Rumen of the stomach. And they have a special type of organs, cecum. And horses and rabbits, they have a special type of organs to digest the cellulose. They have a cecum. The horses and rabbits, they have a special type of organs called as cecum. Horses and rabbit, they have a special organ to digest the cellulose is called, the part is called cecum. Cecum is normally present in the esophagus to small intestine. In between the two parts, cecum is present. And after the next, we can learn about the digestive system in amoeba. Digestion in amoeba. What we can learn about the digestive system of amoeba? Amoeba is a single cellular organism. Amoeba is a single cellular organism. Single cellular organism. And it is microscopic. It is microscopic. And it is microscopic. And amoeba have to move from one place to another place or to capture the food. They have a special type of organ called pseudopodia, or we call it as a force feed. they have a pseudopodia or false feet to move from one place to another place or to capture the food. They have a pseudopodia or false feet to capture the food or to capture the food or to move from one place to another place. When they sense the food particles around the amoeba, they push the pseudopodia around the food particles. When they sense the food particles around the amoeba, they push the pseudopodia around the food particles and they engulf it and they stored in the food vacuole and stored in the food, and the food particle is stored in the food particle is stored in the food vacuole. The digested food is used for the growth of the amoeba and for multicellular. And the next we learn about the undigested food is thrown out through the vacuole. The undigested food is thrown out through the undigested food is thrown out through the vacuole. The structure of amoeba is amoeba they don't have a particular shape. Amoeba, it is the pseudopodia, and here is the nucleus, and a small bubble-like structure is called vacuoles. And today it is completes your nutrition in animals chapter.